Today we'll deal with a couple of original 3M products from the original casing. This is how your 3M products come in when you buy it as a bulk, and it comes with this original sticker which is like the original packaging directly from Bangalore. Okay, and now we have a couple of masks which I use in my clinic. It is the 9913 particulate filter, which is an FFP1, and this is how the mask looks like, and it's a sturdy piece of mask. It's 9913 IN plus. We rarely use it for examination purpose, but as an emergency I was previously using it, but I'm not using it anymore. I use it only for outdoor purpose, buying groceries and stuff, so it's very safe. So it's really comfortable as well, and it has a broad coverage on your face. So this is good for outdoor purpose, not for your clinic. And the next one is the particulate filter, which is N95 8210 model, which is an NIOSH certified mask. And this is how the original N95 8210 mask looks like. Okay, it gives you a really comfortable fit on your face. You can feel really secure about this, but it's being an N95, you cannot use it for an aerosol procedure, as this is not a surgical mask. So technically speaking, you can use it for examination purpose only. And you can check the 3M India website for the difference between the surgical mask and this 8210 particulate respirator. Okay, and the next one I have is the 62003M half face piece. It's a really good sturdy mask, and this is a bigger size, and I've fit a 6001 3M filter, which is NIOSH certified. This I use it for my fumigation purpose of the clinic, and this has one advantage is you can fit in a N95 filter with a cap which comes with a casing. So you can actually use this filter for dual purpose, as an N95 filter as well as an organic filter for your fumigation of your clinic. This can very well be used by your assistant, for the reason that it can be fitted with an N95 filter. It's a good one, but don't use it for seeing your patients or an aerosol procedure. Okay, and the next one I have is the 6200 face mask with a 7093 NIOSH certified P100 filter. It's the best in the market, and this gives you almost 99.97% filtration. And the one good thing is the casing which comes with this HEPA filter, and this shell you can actually sterilize it with a surface disinfectant, which is decent enough. As this is a reusable mask, it's going to be very effective for any aerosol procedure. Okay, so any spatter which comes on top of this filter can be wiped off with a surface disinfectant. And this is how it looks inside. So it's clean and secure, and you can actually see the HEPA filter inside, which is a white filter which filters your inlet of your air. And this mask is really comfortable, and it's going to like cover half of your face, and if you wear a 3M goggles 1621, it's going to give you a complete deal of protection for your face. Okay, and I don't prefer using the P100 filter, same from 3M, which is the model number 2091. It comes only with this HEPA filter alone. I don't have this product now. I've discarded my mask. So this is the filter which comes with the HEPA filter as well. You cannot use this for an aerosol procedure because it generates and it aerosol, and it gets settled on top of this filter. It's very difficult to sterilize. You cannot use any surface disinfectant on this part of the mask. So technically speaking, as a dentist or a maxillofacial surgeon or any surgeon who deals with spatter, orthopedic surgeon or anybody else who deals with blood spatter, I think this is the best one you have from 3M. So you can really feel safe about it, and it's going to help you practice safely with the universal precautions which you use. So thank you. This is the update from me for this week, and stay home, stay safe, and have a safe practice. Avoid any procedure which utilizes these aerosols. So I would advise, even if you have these filters, you never know how you're going to like contract a disease. Okay, so practice safe. All the best.